refuse. He offered me a second drink, which I refused. She asked him to leave, but he refused. Irritate. Please don't irritate me. I am not feeling well. Don't irritate her. She is your elder sister. Squash. I squashed a bug. He accidentally sat on my hat and squashed it. Shatter. The pot shattered as it hit the floor. I dropped the glass, and it shattered on the floor. Bow. She bowed down in front of the king. The children bowed their heads in shame. Weep. The child was weeping for his mother. I could hear him weeping upstairs. Shade. He was lying in the shade of the tree. We sat down in the shade of the wall. Ache. My head doesn't ache anymore. I have an ache in my back. Conceal. Is there something you are concealing from me? The thief tried to conceal the evidence. Confuse. They confused me by asking so many questions. I am a bit confused. Could you explain that again? Bark. The dog suddenly started barking at me. Dogs always bark at strangers. Measure. I am measuring the length of the plant. The tailor took my measure for a new suit. Appear. The genie appeared from the magic lamp. The sun appeared in the sky.